So let's start with the solution. What will be the first step? First step is that if you remove this fixed support at this end, so you will be having a reaction force. Let this is point A. So you will be having reaction force which is vertical reaction RAY. You will be having a horizontal reaction force which will be represented as RAX. Clear? And you will be having a moment that is MA at this point. Now we'll find this RAX, RAY and MA by using equation of equilibrium. So first equation of equilibrium will be sum of all forces along x direction must be equal to 0 and force toward right is taken as positive. So from this figure you can see only horizontal force is RAX. There is no other force, so it will be equal to 0. So it means that horizontal reaction force is 0. Now we'll find this vertical reaction force by using another equation of equilibrium, that sum of all forces along y direction must be equal to 0 and upward force is taken as positive. So RAY, which is acting upward, that is positive, minus this first P and this second P. So minus P will be equal to 0. So from here we will get this RAY minus 2 times P is equal to 0. So what we will get is that RAY will be equal to 2P. Okay. Now we'll move toward the third part, and in third part you have to find this moment MA. So for that I will apply equation sum of all moment about point A is equal to 0 and taking the counterclockwise movement as positive. So about point A, this force and this force are passing through this point, so they are not producing movement. Only movement producing are this force and this force. So starting from this force, the first force which is producing movement is P into perpendicular distance is 2L, and this is producing clockwise movement, so it will be negative. So I can write P multiplied by 2L, and that is negative. The second moment that is produced due to this load P into perpendicular distance is L, and this is also producing clockwise, so it will be negative. I will also write this minus P times L, and the last moment which is acting at A is reaction moment which is unknown, and that is counterclockwise, so it will be M plus MA. The sum of all these moments about point A will be equal to 0. So I will get minus 2PL minus PL plus M movement about A is equal to 0. So from here this movement about A will be equal to 3PL. Okay. Now